in the degree, so I can extend it. Which I don't know why you wouldn't. I mean, the thing is too, I mean, even if the deal doesn't go through, you do want to still have a good relationship with them. So it's not like you want to delete them or angry about anything, even though they make you angry. Even though they're driving you crazy. How was your trip? Are you at the airport? Are you on the airport? Where are you? Oh, you're still.
You guys, hey, cut it out. Cut it out. Hey!
Oh, okay. Well, call me later if you need
Cleo!
me to pick you up. I'll be home after 8. I could come get you anytime after 8 o'clock. Okay? Okay.